Hey everybody, today we'll be doing lesson 8-7, and 8-7 is a newer topic because we are multiplying mixed numbers with fractions. And it's not, there's only one new real step that we have to remember, which you already know how to do. We have to add it in. So when we're multiplying, sometimes they also ask you to estimate. So I'll show you how to estimate, but we're really going to focus on doing the multiplication. So if we have 3 and 4/5 times 5. Okay. What's most important is first we need to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. Now, if we were to estimate this, the 3 and 4/5 is about 4. And if we did 4 times 5, our answer should be somewhere around 20. Okay. Should be somewhere around 20. So that's really the whole estimating part. But let's actually remember how we turn the mixed number into improper fraction. First, we're going to do 5 times 3. That's going to give us a 15. We're going to hold that 15 in our heads a little bit and just think about it. And then we're going to add the 15 to the 4. And that gives us 19 because 15 plus 4 is 19. Then we're going to keep the old denominator of 5. Now we have an improper fraction. And that's great because what we can do is we can multiply that by 5. And you already know how to do that. We'll just put that over 1. So now we can cross simplify and do 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 19 times 1 is 19. And that was really close to 20. All right. So if I didn't cross simplify it, I'd have to do 19 times 5 on the top, 45. Oops, 45. And then I would get 95, and I would have to divide 95 by 5. I'm doing something. I'm messing up here. Let's try that again. 95 divided by 5. 5 goes into 9 one time, which is 5, and then 4 left over, bring down to 5, and then 9. 5 times 9 is 45. Okay, so you can do it both ways. I like to cross simplify, but obviously for those of you that are more comfortable doing the long division way, you may do that. All right, and there was a way to clear it all, but I don't know how to do that right now. Okay, so let's try another one. Now, it's not always going to be a mixed number times a whole number. It could be a mixed number times a fraction as well. So that's really the new step is turning that mixed number into an improper fraction. Let's try another one. Let's try 1 3/5 times 2 1/4. Okay, so now I have two mixed numbers. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to change them both. All right, first I'm going to do this one. 5 times 1 is 5. I'm going to keep that 5 in my head. 5 plus 3 is 8, and I keep the old denominator. We go in a circle like that, okay? Times 4 times 2 is 8, and then I'm going to add the 8 plus 1 and get 9 over 4. And now I can cross simplify. If I wanted to, I can cross simplify 8 and 4. I won't do that for now. I'll just do 8 times 9, which is 72, and 5 times 4, which is 20. And then you can do 72 divided by 20. You know, it goes in there 3 times. 20 times 3 is 60 with 12 left over. So now it's going to be, this is my new numerator. So it's going to be 3 and 12/20 is my final answer. Okay. So not real difficult, but that's probably the hardest one. Doing mixed number times mixed number. And again, I could have just cross simplified and that would have made my life a little bit easier. There's so many different layers to this, guys. It's so hard to teach this stuff when you guys aren't here, but we're doing our best. So let's try another one. Let's try, how about we do 1.5 times 3 5/6. Okay. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So I have 3 over 2 times 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23 over 6. Okay, then I would do 23 times 3. I know the bottom is 12. 23 times 3 is going to give me 69. And then I have to do 69 divided by 12. And 12 goes into